Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming concentration and serving on the bottle. This determines your dose. Next, draw 0. 5 to 1 teaspoon with the included dropper. If none, use a calibrated spoon. Mix into 8-12 oz of room temperature water or a mild juice to mask flavor. Once done, stir briefly and drink within 10 minutes for best taste. Make sure to swallow slowly and note any immediate oral irritation. If absent, proceed to regular dosing as directed. You should establish a routine. Take Chlorofresh once or twice daily, ideally with meals to reduce stomach upset. In the morning, it can support hydration and energy, and if you take a second dose, do so before evening food. Over the next 7 to 14 days, track digestion, energy levels, and any skin or urine color changes to assess tolerance. Once done, note interactions. Avoid using with strong oxidizers and very hot beverages because heat can degrade active compounds and reduce efficacy. You finish by sealing and storing the bottle upright in a cool, dark place. Refrigerate only if label advises. Make sure to tighten the cap after each use to preserve potency. If you experience nausea, rash, or extreme discoloration, stop immediately, rinse your mouth, and contact a healthcare provider. If symptoms are mild, spacing doses or reducing to half a dose may help. If taste is an issue, dilute into a larger volume or blend with mild juice to improve palatability without changing timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.